JDCap26 here, just doing tips, repairs, and hobbies. And we just finished the Sherman tank, and I think it came out pretty good. I made this as a gift. It was a gift to me from my wife, and there it is. So thanks for watching, and please rate and subscribe, and see me in my next video. I have all different types of videos on my channel, so all you have to do is do a search, and maybe you'll find an answer to something you're looking for on my channel. If not, you could always ask me any comments of the videos, and I'll be sure to get back to you. Have a good day.